people are really nice and the food's great. so I think Lancashire's a great place to do business. And the sad thing is for me, probably for the first 30 years of my life, I didn't really know a lot about Lancashire growing up in the southeast. But then when we moved here, we fell in love with the place straight away, and we knew instinctively it was going to be our home. It was going to be the place where we raise our child, and I guess in some respects, Sales Geek is our youngest child. we are still very much raising it in Lancashire.
I just identify with Lancashire. I really love it. I love the people here. I think we've got a warm, friendly customer base that we rely on for their loyalty, who've seen us through all the troubles of the pandemic. A no-brainer for me. I couldn't imagine being anywhere else.
Lancashire's got that mix of manufacturing as well as technology, as well as the distribution side. It's got a whole mix of environment. So the skill sets we've got in the area really help us grow our business.
Lancashire has a great business support. We have lots of organisations that are willing to give you support and help you grow your business. And I think there's a real passion in Lancashire to try and be the best, because we are competing against some of the big cities, and a lot of people in Lancashire can go and work in some of these big cities, but we're trying to keep people to work local and actually recognising us as a national creative agency up against some of these other bigger agencies from the cities.
The reason why I'd want to keep going here in Lancashire is that stick-to-itiveness, that drive, that want to push forwards. And so far, for so long, we've been told that you need to travel to big cities or you need to go to far-off places. Well, the reality is everything that you have is right here. Your family, your friends, beautiful countryside, fantastic weather, although not all the time, and people in and around it. So why not build those opportunities here in Lancashire so people can stay with their families, live and work and have a thriving ecosystem right here on their doorstep?